The Roll multi-chamber immersion plants type RUT are designed for high cleanliness requirements and high throughput quantities at the same time. In the multi-step cleaning and rinsing process, aqueous cleaning agents are used. Via an automatic loading system, the workpiece baskets get to the basket take-up devices, which are transferred into the individual treatment stations by means of a carriage. In the first cleaning station, a gravitational oil separator can be integrated if workpieces contaminated with oil are to be cleaned. The oil floating on the surface will be led into an overflow bag via a bath flushing, and from there it will get into the oil separator. In the oil separator, in an appeasement zone, the oil phase will float due to the difference in density. The agent, which is now de-oiled to a great extent, will get back into the cleaning bath. When cleaning bulk material or workpieces having bores and angles, a pressure liquid circulation device is used for the removal of swarf and particle dirt. Liquid will be led from the bath into nozzle pipes by means of a booster pump with dirt trap and subsequent filtration unit. The turbulent flow which is created by this ensures the removal of the swarf and particle dirt. After the first process step, the carriage will transfer the workpiece basket take-up device into the next process bath. In a second process step, it is possible to remove pigment dirt by the use of ultrasonics. The cleaning effect can be enhanced by additional motion of the workpieces, such as swiveling, rotation, or short stroke. The pigment dirt which was removed will be separated in bypass from the agent by means of a filtration unit. The plant is designed in such a way that also workpiece carriers can be retrofitted, meaning that the plant can be extended flexibly. Depending on the requirement, cleaning will be followed by a multi-stage rinsing process. Here it is also possible to process the baths in bypass by means of filtration. In order to avoid the creation of dirty corners, an additional flow can be created by leading the processed agent through nozzles back into the working chamber. In order to avoid entrainments, the workpieces will drop off enhanced by rotation or swiveling of the basket before they are transferred to the next treatment tank. Finally, drying will be affected by hot air. During this process, air will be sucked out of the hot air station, then the air will be led through a heating register and then directly onto the workpieces by means of blowing slots. As an option, drying can also be effected in vacuum.